In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use Google Docs to create a custom survey to get the feedback you're looking for on your course. So before we get started, I just want to answer the question of why Google Docs. The simple answer is that it fits best in our workflow. I'm a particular fan of the ease at which I can get results in a spreadsheet and share them out to coworkers. More on that in a little bit. If you don't particularly care for Google Docs, or if your company has a restriction against certain cloud-based services, which happens from time to time, there are a ton of great services out there that will let you set up a survey for your course. A simple web search for Create Online Survey will bring a slew of them for you to choose. So here I've created a really basic 3-question course survey. From this menu, there are a number of things you can do. The first one is looking at the live survey itself. Clicking this button will open up the actual survey link for you to look at. This is a great way to grab the HTML link so that way you can put it right into your course and you just copy and paste it in. The second thing you want to look at is the Change Theme button. This screen will allow you to change the look and feel of the survey to better match your course or brand. In this case, I've already adjusted things a little bit, but I want to show you what you're able to do. I've added an eLearning Brothers logo to my survey, but I have another one that's a little slimmer and sleeker I'd rather use. In this case, I would click on Header Image to the right and then Change Image to use the new logo. I can just drag it into the browser or go looking for it in my folders as needed. There, that looks better. Next, I want to change the background to better fit our brand as well. When you select Page Background, you're presented with two options. You can choose an image and it will tile in the background, or you can just select a solid color and fill the background. I tend to think the latter looks better for this particular case, but I'll still go for a nice ELB orange. Additionally, from here I can change font styles for all of the questions and headers that might be present in the survey. When finished, I can just click Edit Questions to go back. The last item to look at from this page is the View Responses button. This will take you into the spreadsheet the form uses to gather responses. You can use this spreadsheet as you would any other. You can use the data to create tables or charts or anything that will best help you synthesize the information provided. Additionally, you can easily share the spreadsheet out to other members of your team. Simply click on the Share button in the top right corner and add the emails of additional contributors as needed. You can also open up the document by giving the link out to people and changing the settings in this menu. This way, anyone with a link can either view or edit depending on how you've configured it. I find this to be particularly helpful as there is no reason to gather data unless you're intending on synthesizing it into something useful. Sharing it out to your team allows for different perspectives on a single set of data. From a quality assurance perspective, it's important that everyone involved in the creation of your e-learning understands how it's being used and where improvements can be made, both now and going forward. Hopefully this will encourage you to use surveys in your future e-learning endeavors.